In this video, we're going to take a quick look at some of the angle pair relationships that we're going to be using repeatedly in this chapter. We've used them through the course, but now it's the checkpoint for the chapter, which is the point at which we're expecting these skills to be mastered. So there's just a couple different relationships outlined here. The first is regarding parallel lines. When I have lines that are parallel, I know my corresponding angles are equal. So that would be angles 1 and angles 3 would be corresponding angles. Alternate interior angles are equal, that would be 2 and 3. And same side interior angles, that would be 2 and 4, would be supplementary. And then we can look at angle relationships in triangles. In triangles, we have the triangle sum theorem, where the angles on the interior of the triangle add up to 180 degrees. And then we'll also be exploring the exterior angles theorem with this exterior angle. I don't want to spoil that for you, so we'll save that for your homework. So we're going to apply a variety of these relationships just to practice them. For each diagram, name the relationship and solve for the variable. So as I look at number 1 here, I see that it has these tick marks, which indicate that these sides are congruent, which means the triangle is an isosceles triangle. That's important to note because in an isosceles triangle, those base angles are congruent. So that gives me the equation that I can then solve for x. Looking at number 2, I see these arrows on these lines indicating that these lines are parallel. Then when I look at these two angles listed here, they are same side interior. They are on the same side of the transversal, that is in this case below the transversal, and they're interior to the parallel line. So I know these angles have to be supplementary, which gives me my equation there to solve. And then moving on to number 3, there's a 2-step process I need to follow here. First, I need to find this angle right here. And I know that that angle that I'm looking for and the 101 make a straight angle pair. So I'm just going to do 180 minus that. Once I've found that angle, then I know that the 34 degrees plus z plus the 79 that I found have to equal 180 degrees. And then the last one I'm going to look at here is number 4. In this problem, I have a straight angle pair, so I know that those angles have to be supplementary. So that allows me to set up my equation this way, equal to 180, and then solve for x. So hopefully this recap of angle pair relationships was helpful to you. If you need more practice, you can find it by going to the checkpoints in your ebook. So step 1 would be to go to ebooks.cpm.org and then click on your geometry text. From there, on the left side of the menu, choose reference, and then you'd want to click on checkpoint. It would bring you to a new page, and at the top you would click on the tab that's CP8 for checkpoint 8. There's also more resources you can find on our Canvas Unit 8 resource page. Thanks for watching.